Ever thought about how one small slip up in buying your first home here in Southwest Florida could cost a fortune? Let's dodge those pitfalls together, shall we? Hey there, I'm Rick Harrison with MVP Realty. You know, stepping into your first home should be a thrill, not a stress fest. Today, I'm breaking down the 10 slip-ups first-time homebuyers often make and how you can steer clear of them. And if you stick with me till the end, I'll reveal you how you can get your hands on my Southwest Florida Buyer Success Kit. It's a toolkit I've put together that's been a game changer for my clients. Consider the case of Brian and Jenna, who came to me in a tough spot. They found their dream home in a seemingly perfect neighborhood, but they overlooked a critical detail: the local homeowners association rules. After they purchased, they discovered restrictions that drastically clashed with their lifestyle, like strict pet policies and limitations on home customization. It's a bit like buying a car only to realize later that there are limits on how far you can drive it. Homes are similar. Doing your homework on every aspect, including things like HOA regulations, is crucial. And that's where I come in, ready to help you uncover these important details. So let's dive into a countdown of the top 10 mistakes first-time homebuyers make in Southwest Florida. We're starting at number 10, and trust me, you'll want to stick around for the number one mistake that catches so many people off guard. Mistake number 10, emotional decision making. Let's start with the heart. Falling for a house's charm can blind you to its flaws, like unexpected repairs or a layout that doesn't really suit your needs, leading to costly regrets later on. Balance your heart with practicality when choosing your home. Mistake number 9, skipping pre-approval. Imagine this. You find the perfect home, but get outbid by someone who's pre-approved. Being pre-approved not only shows you're serious, but also puts you ahead of those who might still be trying to secure financing. And that strengthens your buying position. Mistake number 8, not considering lifestyle fit. Your home should be your haven. Buying a place that clashes with your lifestyle, like a bustling city spot when you crave quiet, or a remote location when you need urban amenities, can lead to dissatisfaction. Ensure your home aligns with your daily life. Mistake number 7, underestimating closing costs. A common oversight is forgetting about the closing costs, such as title fees, taxes, and insurance, which can strain your finances if unexpected. Always include these in your budget planning, and if you're not sure what they are, ask someone who's knowledgeable, like a realtor or a title company. Mistake number 6, neglecting future resale value. How easily can you sell your home in the future? Purchasing in an area with dropping property values or in a location with limited demand can be a major setback when it's time to move on. Consider long-term value, not just the immediate appeal. Mistake number 5, rushing the buying process. Speed can be your enemy in home buying. Rushing into a purchase without proper research might land you in a less than ideal neighborhood or in a home that doesn't meet your future needs. Take your time to find the right fit. Mistake number 4, falling for the wrong financing. Financing is tricky. Opting for a mortgage without fully understanding the terms, like adjustable rates or balloon payments, can lead to unpleasant surprises. Careful comparison and understanding are crucial. Mistake number 3, ignoring additional costs. Beyond the price tag, additional expenses like maintenance, utility costs, or homeowners association fees can catch you off guard. A comprehensive budget must include these ongoing costs. Mistake number 2, overlooking inspection. Skipping a thorough inspection can lead to unwelcome discoveries like structural issues, mold, or outdated electrical systems. So always insist on a professional inspection before finalizing your purchase. Mistake number 1, not researching the area enough. Top of the list is area research. Neglecting this, like missing flood zone information, future development plans, or traffic patterns and conditions during different times of the year, like season, can lead to disastrous consequences. Knowledge of the local area is essential for a wise purchase. Now let's reflect for a moment on the journey ahead. Each step you take with the insights we've just discussed is not just about sidestepping the pitfalls. It's about confidently building towards your future. Picture yourself a few months from now. You're standing at the doorstep of your dream home in Southwest Florida, keys in your hand. It's a home chosen with informed confidence and foresight. You're the hero in the story, the one who transformed a dream into a beautiful reality, surrounded by swaying palm trees in your own backyard. Now think about how you got there. How would it feel to navigate this journey with a distinct advantage over other buyers, saving time and money along the way? My Southwest Florida Buyer Success Kit is a comprehensive toolkit packed with resources designed to guide you through the home buying process, helping you make savvy decisions every step of the way. Imagine having a roadmap that not only leads you to the right home, but also ensures you get there efficiently without the usual stress or overspending. The Southwest Florida Buyer Success Kit is exactly that. It's a blueprint in your pursuit of the perfect home. So here's what's inside of it. First, you're gonna get hyper-local research data bank. You'll get exclusive access to my undercover agent, where you can research all the real estate information you could possibly want for our local market. Search communities by a bunch of different filters, get the weekly local real estate news to stay up on future developments and traffic patterns, great for finding up and coming areas, and read up on the latest information on insurance, area issues, schools, and so much more. Second, you're gonna get the Max Mortgage Guide. This tool helps you really drill down into your budget and estimate your maximum loan amount. Plus, it helps you get a handle on your budget, understand what affects your approval amount, and how you can increase it. Third, you're also gonna get the shopping for your home checklist. This is gonna help you hone in on exactly what you want in the house and then take you step by step through the home shopping process so you know exactly what to look for and what to be thinking about as you search and visit each home. And last but not least, this one you're gonna love is the Lower Closing Costs Guide. This guide will go over everything about closing costs, how much they are, what's in them, and then give you 7 stealthy ways to save a lot of money on your closing costs, and I guarantee you're gonna wanna know these. With the knowledge inside this kit, you'll be able to navigate your way to informed, confident decisions. You'll save money, you'll sidestep common pitfalls, and discover homes that truly fit your dreams. And now, if you're interested, you can download this kit by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope to see you again next week. But until then, stay safe, stay positive, and more importantly, stay free.